Hi guys, today we're going to be playing PC Building Simulator 2. We're gonna do free build. What was I gonna say? But we have a budget of $1,000. $1,000. Alright, the best build gaming PC for $1,000. Wait, can't see my mouse. Where's my mouse? Oh! Okay, finally. We already have this. 3,500. Okay, no. Let's go here. Oh, something really cheap but really huge. Lily is fractal design for G-focusing. Okay, no side panel. First of all, motherboard. I'm gonna have to go with this. Now, graphics card. You know what? What should I get? I think a 2080 is good. 2080? Why that expensive? Nah. What about 2070s? Okay, they're much cheaper. And it could have a really good quality. Okay, memory now. Bro, where's my mouse? Oh. Okay, memory. 8 gigabytes. 8 gig. Gig RAM. Okay. Now we're gonna have to go with storages. The power supplies. I think 650 watts is enough. Am I even recording? Yes, I am. 3 minutes. Wait, let me see the total. 1,000 exactly. No. And I can't even afford a CPU. Oh. Just a bit up. Yes. 920. Bro. Okay. Bro. Where's my mouse? Wait a sec. Can't even see where my mouse is. Ah! Also, that's where... Yes. I got this. I'm gonna remove the 2070. Bro. Okay. Storage? I don't know about storage. I think I should use like a 1 terabyte. 1 TB. No, B. Yeah. No. Why? Okay. To 2060 Ti. Oh, there's only 2060. Okay. At least this is good. Okay. This? $30 in there. It's 830 so far. It's gonna be 860 now. Oh, $80. I can only buy really cheap storages. And the cheapest. You're kidding me. Ugh, I'll just remove this. I'll change it. Why is it like this? Why is it 60? $60? Oh, A to Z. Why is it sorted A to Z? Low to high. I think I have to go something cheaper. $15. Nah, it still doesn't work. Either I need I think I need to change the GPU. Like, what the heck? What, like a 2050? Is there a 2050 in the game? Down 2060. No, 2050. No. Damn it. What about a 4000? 4, 7. Bruh. This is the only thing. No. 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 Wait, what about a 1080? Oh no. Excuse me. Why is a 1080 more expensive than a 2070? Why? What? A 1070. 1070. Founders Edition. That works. It's cheap. It may be even cheaper than how much I have. Storage? 210? 480 gigs? Wait, I don't know. 200, bruh. I could only add this SSD. Really? Ugh. Why? It's not even enough. I need a cheaper GPU. Why don't I just change it to less of RAM? Memory. Memory. No. No. I think I have to remove. We don't even have storage. Like, we can't go with storage. Isn't there like something cheaper? What am I even missing? Power supplies, I already have one. I'm still missing a literal CPU cooler. Really? This budget is really hard, bro. Okay, it's 11 minutes and I still can't make a PC. Lady Lee. $1,004. Graphics card. I think we need to go with the 1060. Not even that is enough. 1060. $300. Much cheaper. And I get a lot of space for finally, not last but least, what the lag? Okay, this. Okay. Oh, I gotta do this fast. Or I'm gonna lose this video. Okay. What else do I need? Case fans, right? Bro! It's so hard to do this without... Okay, Silent Wings. $839. Whoa, super cheap. Remove components. Side panel. Other side panel. No. Oh yeah. Other side panel. Okay. Ooh. Okay, boot this up. Can we boot this up? No, I forgot. Bro, why is this so hard? USB drive. Oh. Bro, why is this so hard? Okay. Well, I'm gonna do the testing in part 2, okay? Peace out.